Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're continuing Paper Week with paper cups. There are all sorts of paper cups. There's these little itty bitty ones that you keep in the bathroom. And when I was growing up, my mom kept those in there because she didn't want to have a glass, in there in the bathroom for us to, use for drinking water or rinsing our mouth out or whatever, anything else like that. She had those little disposable Dixie cups with a little dispense. You pull it off, get a drink of water, or you fill it up and you after you brush your teeth. So, but paper cups have come a long ways. They're now capable of withstanding high temperatures like coffee. In fact, a lot of coffee cups are paper cups that you buy like at Starbucks, McDonald's, and any place else like that. So there are a variety of paper cups you can get so you don't have to wash the other cups. And you can just have a simple one and get rid of it. And actually a lot of the paper cups are biodegradable as well. So you can toss it into the compost pile. All right, so hopefully this gives you an idea and you can think outside the box and figure out other paper products as well that you can use, but definitely stock up on some paper cups. All right, so I'm going to take off now, but I'm going to put the link to my other channel, Camp Patent Family Compound, up here. I'm going to put the Prepping for Beginners playlist up here and Prepping in Private playlist down here. Why? Well, this is why.